Find the radius of curvature of x to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 4 is equal to 2 at 1 comma 1. I am considering given curve x to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 4 is equal to 2. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Therefore, x to the power of 4 derivative 4x cube, y to the power of 4 derivative 4 y cube dy by dx. 2 derivative 2 is 0 because derivative constant is 0. Next 4 y cube dy by dx is equal to, this one transfer from LHS to RHS, so positive becomes negative, 4 cancels, so dy by dx is equal to minus x cube divided by y cube. At 1 comma 1, therefore dy by dx is equal to x is equal to 1, put x is equal to 1, 1 cube means 1, here also 1 cube means 1, we get minus 1 is equal to m. M represent, here this one is minus 1, this one denoted by y1, dy by dx is also denoted by y1, y1 is equal to minus 1. Again differentiate, with respect to x. So, d squared y by dx square, I am using quotient rule. We know that quotient rule, denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative denominator by denominator whole square. So, y cube into x cube derivative 3x square minus x cube into y square derivative 3y square dy by dx divided by y cube whole square. Next at 1 comma 1, so d squared y by dx square is also denoted by y2. Put x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. Next 3 into 1 squared means 1. I am taking x is equal to 1 because given that 1 comma 1 means x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. Next 1 into 3 into 1. We know that dy by dx is nothing but minus 1 divided by 1 cube means 1 whole square. So, here we get minus into minus plus 3, 3 plus 3 6. So, we get minus 6 divided by 1 means we get minus 6 itself. So, radius of curvature is rho is equal to 1 plus y1 square whole power 3 by 2 divided by y2. 1 y1 squared means minus 1 squared means plus 1, this whole to the power of 3 by 2, y2 means minus 6. So, we get 2 root 2 divided by 2 into 3, 2 cancels, root 2 by 3, root 2 by 3. This is the radius of curvature, otherwise delete negative sign, we get root 2 by 3. Find the radius of curvature of root x plus root y is equal to root a at a by 4 comma a by 4. Here given that root x plus root y is equal to root a, differentiate with respect to x, 1 by 2 root x, 1 by 2 root y dy by dx is equal to 0, root a is 0. Root y dy by dx 1 by 2 root x, 2 gets cancels. So, dy by dx is equal to minus root y divided by root x. Next at a by 4 comma a by 4, therefore y1 is equal to a by 4, a by 4. These two term cancels, we get minus 1. Next, again differentiate. Again differentiate with respect to x, d squared y by dx squared, denominator into derivative of the numerator 1 by 2 root y into dy by dx minus root y into 1 by 2 root x divided by root x whole square, divided by root x whole square. I am using quotient rule. So, denominator into derivative of the numerator 1 by 2 into root y divided by dx minus root y into derivative of denominator means 1 by 2 root x. Here at a by 4, a by 4. So, this one is equal to d square by dx square denoted by y2 root a by 4, x is equal to root a by 4, 1 by 2 root a by 4, root a by 4, 1 by 2 root a by 4, root a by 4 whole square. Here we get y1 means minus, in this particular case 1 by 2 root y into here dy by dx means minus 1 into minus 1 minus half. So, here we get plus half divided by a by 4, because minus into minus plus half, again plus half. This minus 1 is dy by dx is nothing but minus 1 at a by 4 comma a by 4. Therefore, y2 is equal to half plus half 1 into a by 4 becomes 4 by a. Therefore, this one is equal to 4 by a. So, radius of curvature is rho is equal to 1 plus y square whole power 3 by 2 divided by y2. So, here 1 plus y1 is nothing but minus 1 whole square means 1 whole power 3 by 2 divided by 4 by a. y2 is nothing but 4 by a. Instead of y2 I am taking 4 by a. So, here 2 power 3 by 2 means 2 root 2 divided by a by 4. So, here 1 za 2 za root 2a divided by root 2 whole square. So, here we get a by root 2. Therefore, radius of curvature is a by root 2. That is the curvature of this one. Here given that I am using parametric differentiation formula. Here theta is the parameter because there are two equations. So, dy by dx can be written as dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So, dy by dt means a sin theta derivative cos theta, theta into minus sin theta, next cos theta into 1, a into cos theta means minus sin theta, theta cos theta. So, sin theta cancels. So, these two terms gets cancels. So, after simplification minus into minus, here a into cos theta derivative in this particular case, I am differentiating y with respect to theta, a constant sin theta derivative cos theta. Here product of two function, I am using product of first into derivative second cos theta derivative minus sin theta, second into derivative first cos theta into theta derivative 1. Here cos plus cos theta, here minus cos theta cancels, we get remaining term a theta sin theta. I am differentiating x with respect to theta. So, a constant So cos theta derivative minus sin theta, apply product rule, first into derivative second, second into derivative first. Therefore, here theta cos theta. So these two terms cancels, we get tan theta. This one is tan theta. Next, d squared y by dx squared. Tan theta derivative secant square theta into d theta by dx. Next, secant square theta into d theta by dx can be written as dx by d theta. Dx by d theta, we know that here after simplification we get theta cos theta. Here dx by d theta, after simplification we get theta cos theta. Here I am taking, because we do not know anything about d theta by dx. So d theta by dx can be written as 1 by dx by d theta. Instead of dx by d theta, we know that a theta cos theta. Therefore, secant cube theta divided by theta. This one represented by y2, this one y1. Therefore, radius of curvature is rho is equal to 1 plus y1 squared whole power 3 by 2 divided by y2. Therefore, 1 plus y1, y1 means tan square theta, tan square theta whole power 3 by 2. Next, y2, y2 is nothing but secant cube theta divided by theta. Here 1 plus tan square theta, instead of 1 plus cos tan square theta, I am taking secant square theta whole power 3 by 2. 2 gets cancels. Here this becomes theta divided by secant cube theta. So these two terms gets cancels. So rho is equal to theta. Therefore, radius of curvature of the given curve is rho is equal to theta. That's all. Given that x is equal to a of theta sin t, theta plus sin t, comma y is equal to a of 1 minus cos t. We know that parametric differentiation formula dy by dx can be written as dy by dt divided by dx by dt, where t is the parameter, where t is the parameter. These two given two equations represent parametric equations. Here t is the parameter. In case of t is the parameter, dy by dx is equal to dy by dx can be written as dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So here 0 cos t derivative minus sin t. So a t derivative 1, sin t means cos t. 2 sin t by 2, 2 cos square theta by 2. Tan t by 2. Differentiate, again differentiate with respect to x. Tan t derivative, tan of t by 2 derivative secant square t by 2 into half t derivative with respect to x is dt by dx. T derivative with respect to x, differentiate with respect to x. Next, half into secant square t by 2, secant square t by 2. We don't know anything about dt by dx. So that is an dt by dx can be written as 1 by dx by dt. So half secant square t by 2 into 1. Instead of dx by dt, we know that dx by dt is nothing but here dx by dt is equal to 2 cos square t by 2. Instead of dx by dt, I am taking 2 cos square t by 2. Therefore, after simplification we get y2 is equal to 1 by 4 1 by cos square t by 2 becomes secant square t by 2, secant square t by 2 into secant square t by 2, secant to the power of 4 t by 2, otherwise secant square t by 2 whole square, both are same. Next, radius of curvature is rho is equal to 1 plus y1 square whole power 3 by 2, 1 plus tan square t by 2 whole power 3 by 2, 1 by 4 secant to the power of 4 t by 2. Next, 1 plus tan square t by 2, we know that there is a formula 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta, therefore 1 plus tan square t by 2 becomes secant square t by 2, this whole to the power of 3 by 2, 2 gets cancels. Next, this becomes 4 divided by secant of t by 2, this whole to the power of 4. Here whole cube, remaining term is so secant t by 2. Here secant cube t by 2, here secant t by 2 whole to the power of 4. After simplification we get rho is equal to 4 1 by secant t by 2 can be written as cos t by 2. Therefore, the radius of curvature of the given curve is rho is equal to 4 cos t by 2. Find the radius of curvature of x is equal to 80 squared, y is equal to 280. These two equation represents parametric equation of the parabola y squared is equal to 4x. Here t is the parameter. dy by dx can be written as dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So, 2a into 1 t derivative 1 dx by dt means 2a t, 2a gets cancels, we get 1 by t. This one represented by y1. Again differentiate d squared y by dx squared is equal to minus 1 by t square into dt by dx. 1 by t square dt by dx can be written as 1 by dx by dt minus 1 by t square dx by dt, we know that here dx by dt means 2a t. Therefore, minus 1 by 2a t cube, this one is y2. dy by dx is also denoted by y1, d squared y by dx but is also denoted by y2. Therefore, radius of curvature is rho is equal to 1 plus y1 square whole power 3 by 2 y2. Therefore, 1 plus y1 means 1 by t square whole power 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2a t cube. So, t square plus 1 divided by t square, this whole power 3 by 2. I am taking t square as LCM into minus 2a t cube divided by 1. Next, t square plus 1 whole power 3 by 2. So, here we get t square whole power 3 by 2, 2 cancels into minus 2a t cube. Here remaining term is minus 2a t cube, t square plus 1 whole power 3 by 2 divided by t cube gets cancels. So, we get here minus 2a 1 plus t square whole power 3 by 2. This is the radius of curvature of the given curve. Given that r is equal to a of 1 plus cos theta, We know that there is a formula in polar form for radius of curvature, formula for radius curvature. I am not using that formula, I am using different method. Tan pi r divided by dr by dt. I am using this one. This expression denotes the angle between radius vector and the tangent to a curve at a point. Formula tan pi is equal to r dr by dt theta. R means a 1 plus cos theta dr by dt theta, a into minus sin theta 0, 1 is 0, cos theta derivative minus sin theta. Next 1 plus cos theta means we know that there is a formula 2 cos square theta by 2. But also we know that there is a formula sin theta 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. So 2 gets cancels. So here we get cot theta by 2. Therefore, tan pi is equal to minus cot theta. Next, tan pi is equal to tan of 90 plus theta by 2. We know that there is a formula minus cot x is equal to tan of 90 plus x. Here x is nothing but theta by 2. 90 plus x lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant tan is negative. That is the tan of 90 plus x is equal to minus cot x. So instead of minus cot theta by 2, I am taking tan pi by 2 plus theta by 2, equating. So pi by 2 plus theta by 2. Therefore, equating pi by 2 plus theta by 2. Here we know that P is equal to r sin pi. P is equal to r sin pi by 2 plus theta by 2. R into this one is of the form sin of 90 plus x. 90 plus x lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant sin is positive. So sin of 90 minus x means cos. So here we know that sin of 90 minus x, 90 plus x is equal to cos x. This one lies in second quadrant. Here x means theta by 2. Therefore, P is equal to this one. Next, squaring. So P squared r squared cos square theta by 2. Next, multiply by 2. So 2p square r square 2 cos square theta by 2. So 2 cos square theta. Here we know that 1 plus cos theta r is equal to a of 1 plus cos theta. Therefore, 1 plus cos theta is equal to r by a. 1 plus cos theta means 2 cos square theta by 2. 2 cos square theta by 2 is nothing but r by a. So 2p square is r square 2 r square theta by 2. Instead of this one I am taking r by a. Therefore, 2a p square 2a p square is equal to r cube. Otherwise, write down as it is, no problem. 2p squared is equal to r cube by a. Next, this one, differentiate with respect to r. Differentiate with respect to r. So 4p dp by dr 1 by a into 3 r square. 1 by a into 3 r square. Next, dp by dr is equal to 3 r square divided by 4 ap. 4 ap. Next, if it taking reciprocals, Therefore, 4AP divided by 3R square. Next, multiply by R. Multiply by R. Therefore, R dr by dp is equal to 4AP divided by 3R. This one is radial curvature 4AP divided by 3R. 4AP divided by 3R. Here, rho is equal to 4AP divided by 3R into here 4AP into, instead of P I am taking from this expression we get 2P squared is equal to R cube divided by A. So, P squared is equal to R cube divided by 2A. P is equal to R root R divided by root A. This one is R to the power of 3 by 2. R to the power of 3 by 2 means R root R divided by root A. So, R root R divided by root 2 root A. So, rho is equal to we get next term 2 root 2 into root 2, 4 can be written as 2 root 2 into root here root A whole square into root R divided by root 2 root A. So, root A cancels. Here we get rho is equal to 2 root, but also here format 2 root 2 root A root R divided by 3. This can be written as 2 root 2A R divided by 3. 2 root 2A divided by 3. So, we get first form. Next, squaring. Rho squared is equal to 4 into 2AR divided by 9. Rho squared divided by R is equal to 8A by 9 divided by R. We get rho squared divided by R is equal to 8A by 9. Therefore, rho squared divided by R is constant. Rho squared divided by R is constant. This is one form. Otherwise, other form is show that rho squared divided by R is constant. Here we get rho squared divided by R is constant. This is other form of this problem. Power n is equal to a power n cos n theta, taking log on both sides. Log r power n means n log r. If you take log a power n cos n theta, this one is of the form log mn. Log mn is nothing but log m plus log n. Therefore, n log a plus log cos n theta. Differentiate with respect to theta. n into 1 by r dr by d theta 0. A is constant means log a constant 0. Therefore, 1 by cos n theta. Cos n theta means n sin n theta. So, n gets cancels. Therefore, this one is cot pi, we know that. This one is tan n theta. So, here cot function, here tan function. That reason I am converting tan to cot. So, cot pi by 2 plus n theta, because cot of 90 plus x is equal to minus tan x. Here x means n theta. Here pi by 2 plus n theta lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant, here cot is negative, that is on minus tan x. So, equating pi is equal to pi by 2 plus n theta. We know that p is equal to r sin pi. P is equal to r sin pi by 2 plus n theta. R sin pi by 2 plus n theta means cos n theta. Next, given that r power n a power n cos n theta divided by a power n. So, r power n a power n is equal to cos n theta. Therefore, p is equal to r. Instead of cos n theta, I am taking r power n divided by a power n. So, p is equal to r power n plus 1 divided by a power n, because 1 plus n plus 1. If the bases are same, we are adding powers. Next, here differentiate p with respect to r. 1 by a power n, r power n plus 1 can be written as n plus 1 r power n plus 1 minus 1. Next, this becomes dr by dp. dr by dp is equal to a power n divided by n plus 1 r power n. Next, multiply by r dr by dp. So, a power n plus 1 r power n into r, I am multiplying. So, this one is nothing but r dr by dp is nothing but rho. Pedal equation of radius of curvature is rho is equal to r dr by dp. So, a power n plus 1 r power n minus 1. Therefore, radius of curvature is rho is equal to a power n plus 1 r power n minus 1. Here, radius of curvature for pedal form is rho is equal to r dr by dp. So, instead of this one, I am taking rho. So, that is all. 2a by r is equal to 1 minus cos theta, taking log 2a by r log of 1 minus cos theta, log 2a divided by log r, log of 1 minus cos theta. Differentiate with respect to theta. 0 1 by r dr by d theta, log r derivative 1 by r dr by d theta, log of 1 minus cos theta is nothing but derivative log of 1 minus cos theta 1 by 1 minus cos theta, 0 minus into minus plus sin theta. I am using this formula, log f derivative 1 by f into d by ds of f. Next, this one is cot pi 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Instead of sin theta, I am taking 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. There is a formula. Instead of 1 minus cos theta, I am taking 2 sin square theta by 2. 2 gets cancels. So, here cot pi is equal to minus cot theta by 2. Cos by sin means cot. Next, This can be written as cot of 90 plus theta because both are same function. So that I am taking 180. Otherwise, if you take minus cot pi minus theta by tau. Cot of pi minus x is equal to mod minus cot x. X means theta by 2. Pi minus x lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant, cot is negative. So here minus cot theta by 2 can be written as cot of pi minus theta by 2. Therefore, pi is equal to pi minus theta by 2. Pi is equal to pi minus theta by 2. We know that P is equal to R sin pi. P R sin pi minus theta by 2. Pi minus theta by 2. P R, so sin theta by 2 itself, because sin of pi minus x is equal to sin x. 180 minus x lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant, sin is positive. Therefore, sin of pi minus x is equal to sin x itself. Next, squaring. So, p squared is equal to r square sin squared of theta by 2. Next, multiply by 2. 2p square r square 2 sin square theta by 2. We are given that 1 minus cos theta means what, 2a by r, given that the problem itself. Here 1 minus cos theta means we know that 2 sin square theta by 2 is equal to 2a by r. So here 2p square r square, instead of 2 sin square theta by 2, I am taking 2a by r. So here 2 it cancels, p squared is equal to a r. Next, differentiate with respect to r. So 2p dp by dr is equal to a into 1. dp by dr is equal to a divided by 2p. a divided by 2p. Next, taking reciprocals, dr by dp is equal to 2p divided by a. Therefore, radius of curvature formula r dr by dp. r into dr by dp means 2p by a, 2pr divided by a. Finally, we get required Z. That's it. Given that r squared is equal to a square sin 2 theta, taking log 2r, log r square log a square sin 2 theta, 2 log r, 2 log a plus log sin 2 theta. I am using two formulas. Log a power m means m log a, log m n can be written as log m plus log n. Differentiate with respect to theta. 2 into 1 by r dr by d theta 0, 1 by sin 2 theta 2 cos 2 theta, 2 cancels. So cot pi is equal to cot 2 theta. Pi is equal to 2 theta. Differentiate p r into, from the given equation, r squared is equal to a squared sin 2 theta. Therefore, sin 2 theta means r squared by a squared. I am taking substitution for sin 2 theta. We have to eliminate theta. So p r cube divided by a square. Differentiate with respect to r. So 3r square by a square. If you take reciprocals r dr by dp, a square divided by 3r square. Otherwise radius of curvature r dr by dp, r into a square divided by 3r square. So rho is equal to a square divided by 3r. Rho is equal to a square divided by 3r. That's differentiate with respect to r. 2p dp by dr is equal to a. dp by dr is equal to a by 2p. If you take reciprocal, 2p by a. 2p by a. Therefore, radius of curvature is r dr by dp. So, r into 2p by a. Therefore, 2pr by a. That's all. 2ap square divided by r cube. Given equation 2ap squared is equal to r cube. So 4ap dp by dr, 3r square dp by dr, 3r square divided by 4ap dr by dp is equal to 4ap divided by 3r square. Radius of curvature r dr by dp, r into 4ap, so 4ap divided by 3r, 4ap divided by 3r. Next, p squared is equal to r squared minus a square. Given equation is p squared is equal to r square a square, 2p dp by dr, 2r dp by dr is equal to r by p. So dr by dp is equal to p by r. Therefore, radius of curvature r dr by dp, r into p divided by r. So finally we get r itself. pa squared is equal to r cube, or differentiate a square dp by dr, 3r squared dp by dr is equal to 3r square divided by a square, dr by dp is equal to a square divided by 3r square, rho r dr by dp, r into a square 3r square. Therefore, a square divided by 3r to a e power theta cot alpha. Here I am using formula tan pi is equal to r dr by d theta. R is nothing but a e power theta cot alpha. Differentiate a constant, e power theta alpha, e power theta alpha, theta into cot alpha into 1. Because we know that e power f d by dx of f. So these two terms gets cancels. So tan pi is equal to tan alpha. Pi is equal to alpha. Pi is equal to alpha. Pi is equal to alpha. We know that P is equal to r sin pi, r sin alpha. P is equal to r sin alpha. Differentiate with respect to r, dp by dr sin alpha into 1. Therefore, dr by dp is equal to 1 by sin alpha. If you take reciprocals, dp by dr becomes dr by 1 by sin alpha. Therefore, dr by dp is equal to 1 by sin alpha can be written as cosecant alpha, because sin and cosecant alpha are reciprocal to each other. Next, radius of curvature formula r dr by dp or cosecant alpha. So, this is the result is equal to a. 1 plus cos theta is equal, otherwise r is equal to a divided by 1 plus cos theta. Taking log on both sides. Therefore, log r log a divided by 1 plus cos theta. Simplify further. This one is of the form log mn. Log mn can be written as log m minus log n. Therefore, log a log 1 plus cos theta. Differentiate with respect to theta. 1 by r dr by d theta 0, 1 by 1 plus cos theta into minus sin theta. Negative negative cancels. So, this becomes cot pi 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 divided by 1 plus cos theta is nothing but 2 cos square theta by 2. Instead of sin theta, I am using 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Instead of 1 plus cos theta, I am taking 2 cos square theta by 2. 2 cancels. So, here cot pi is equal to sin by cos. Sin theta divided by cos theta can be written as tan theta by 2. Here function, here cot, here tan functions are different. That's why I am changing this one cot of 90 minus theta by 2, because tan x is equal to cot of 90 minus x. 90 minus x lies in first quadrant. First quadrant all are positive. Instead of tan theta by 2, I am taking cot of pi by 2 minus theta, because functions are different. Here both are same functions here. Therefore, equating pi is equal to pi by 2 minus theta by 2. We know that p is equal to r sin pi. P is equal to r sin pi by 2 theta by 2. P is equal to r cos theta by 2. So, sin pi by 2 minus x is equal to, we know that cos x. 90 minus x lies in first quadrant. In first quadrant all are positive. Therefore, sin of 90 minus x is equal to cos x. So, squaring p square r square cos square theta by 2. Next, multiply by 2, 2p square r square 2, otherwise 2 cos square theta by 2. 2 cos square theta by 2 multiply by 2. Next, 2p square r square r of 1 plus cos theta is equal to a. 1 plus cos theta is equal to a by r. Here 1 plus cos theta I am taking, there is a formula 2 cos square theta by 2. Instead of 1 plus cos theta I am taking 2 r square theta by 2. Therefore, 2 r square theta by 2 is nothing but a by r. So, here r gets cancels. So, 2p squared is equal to ar. Next, differentiate. Next, differentiate with respect to r. 4p dp by dr is equal to a into 1 So dp by dr is equal to a divided by p, 4p. So dr by dp is equal to 4p by a. Therefore, rho is equal to r dr by dp. So r into 4p divided by a. Therefore, 4p r divided by a. So this is the result. R power n is equal to a power n sin n theta. So r power n, a power n sin n theta, given that taking log. So log r power n, log a power n sin n theta. N log r, n log a, log r sin n theta. N differentiate with respect to theta, 1 by r dr by d theta 0, a constant, log a constant 0. Therefore, 1 by sin n theta. So n cos n theta. So n gets cancels. So this one is cot pi, cos n theta divided by sin n theta can be written as cot n theta. Therefore, pi is equal to n theta. Pi is equal to n theta. Here we know that denotation. P is equal to r sin pi. P is equal to r sin n theta. P is equal to r sin n theta can be written as r power n divided by a power n. This one transfer from RHS to LHS. Therefore, r power n divided by a power n is equal to sin n theta. So instead of sin n theta, I am taking r power n divided by a power n. P is equal to r power n plus 1 divided by a power n. Next, differentiate with respect to r. dp by dr is equal to n plus 1 r power n plus 1 minus 1, a power n is constant. Therefore, dr by dp, a power n plus 1 r power n. Therefore, radius of curvature is rho is equal to r dr by dp. So r into a power n plus 1 r power n plus 1, a power n plus 1 r power n minus 1, r power n minus 1. So given equation is r squared is equal to a squared divided by cos 2 theta. Taking log. So log r squared log a squared divided by cos 2 theta. Log r squared can be written as 2 log r. This becomes log a squared log cos 2 theta. Differentiate with respect to r. 2 into 1 by r dr by d theta is equal to 0. 1 by cos 2 theta minus 2 sin 2 theta. 2 to cancels. Therefore, cot pi is equal to tan 2 theta. Log r derivative 1 by r dr by d theta. This one is 0 because a is constant means log a squared is constant, derivative constant is 0. Log cos 2 theta derivative 1 by cos 2 theta, differentiate inside function cos 2 theta derivative minus 2 sin 2 theta. I am using log r formula 1 by r dr by d theta. Notice here functions are different. Therefore, cot pi is equal to cot of 90 minus theta, because we know that tan x is equal to cot of 90 minus x. X means here 2 theta, x is equal to 2 theta, equating. Therefore, pi is equal to pi by 2 minus 2 theta. We know that p is equal to r sin pi. P is equal to r pi by 2 minus 2 theta. P is equal to r sin of 90 minus theta means cos 2 theta, because sin of 90 minus x is equal to cos x. Here x means 2 theta. X means 2 theta. 90 minus x lies in first quadrant. In first quadrant all are positive. Next, differentiate with respect to r. So, dp by dr, now 1 minute, instead of this one, sorry, p r cos 2 theta means, but instead of cos 2 theta I am taking a square divided by r square. Here cross multiply this one, cos 2 theta is the same but a square by r square. Here I am taking substitution. So, here p is equal to a square divided by r. Next, differentiate with respect to r, dp by dr, differentiate with respect to r dp by dr, a square minus r square derivative minus 1 by r square. Therefore, dr by dp is equal to minus r squared by a square. If we take reciprocals, we get dp by dr become dr by dp, a squared by minus a square divided by r square becomes r square divided by a square, because I am taking reciprocals. Next, radius of curvature r dr by dp, r into minus r square divided by a square. Therefore, answers rho is equal to minus r divided by a squared. Sorry, this one r squared, sorry, r into r square minus r cube divided by a squared, minus r cube divided by a square.